No, I think that's right. I think they put the FISBO sign in the front yard in February, and you called me immediately, and we talked, reconnected. You gave me a solid offer, but I thought maybe I could get more. My mom's in the area, had
Mm-hmm.
been an agent in the area. And so I tried that. And unfortunately, the realtors of today are just not fun to deal with.
Mm.
And there's a lot of hidden costs, and there's a lot of feeling of pressure and stuff. And if you have a home like mine, which is you don't want to do anything to, the teardowns really work.
Yeah.
Because then you don't have to go through the all of the inspections and stuff like that. They just need to make sure the property is viable. You lose a couple $1,000s here, but here's the kicker, guys. I could leave today with just my clothes and nothing else, and they'll take care of it for me. And that's huge when you're trying to move. We ourselves are going to take about 10% of the home with us. We're downsizing. We will have a huge sale, but whatever's left, Robert and his crew are going to take care of. And that is money from home without riding from it.